In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adapt to the changes following the discontinuation of Google Cloud Print, which officially ended its service on December 31st, 2020. For those who heavily relied on this service for convenient cloud printing, it may have felt like quite a setback. However, I'm here to guide you through some effective alternatives that will help you continue your printing tasks smoothly, whether you're using a Chromebook or juggling multiple devices and operating systems. Let's start by addressing those of you using Chrome OS or Chromebooks. Fortunately, Chromebooks come equipped with a built-in solution that you might find quite handy. It's called CUPS, which stands for Common Unix Printing System. This native printing feature is integrated right into your Chrome OS, providing you an easy and efficient way to connect to printers on your local network. The setup process is relatively straightforward. Just head to your printer settings on your Chromebook, and you'll find options to add printers available on your network. This feature allows your Chromebook to communicate directly with printers without needing any additional software, ensuring you can print documents effortlessly. Now, for those who work across multiple devices or operating systems and require cross-platform printing capabilities, there's still hope. Google recommends transitioning to a third-party print solution, one of which is Paper-Cut Mobility Print. This software accommodates various devices and operating systems, enabling you to print documents, whether you're on a Windows PC, a Mac, or even from mobile devices. The installation process for third-party solutions, like Paper-Cut Mobility Print, is typically straightforward, with user-friendly guides to assist you every step of the way. They often offer robust support, making them a reliable alternative for those who need versatile printing options. Finally, many printer manufacturers offer their proprietary cloud or remote printing services that are worth considering. For instance, if you own an Epson printer, you might find Epson Connect to be a valuable tool for printing documents remotely. Similarly, HP offers its HP ePrint service. These solutions often come with the printer itself or can be easily set up by downloading a compatible app, allowing you to print from anywhere as long as your printer is connected to the internet. By exploring these alternatives, you can continue to print seamlessly without Google Cloud Print, ensuring your workflow remains uninterrupted. So, whether you choose to rely on the native printing capabilities of your Chromebook, opt for a third-party solution like Paper-Cut Mobility Print, or leverage the cloud services offered by your printer manufacturer, there's definitely a path forward. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you find the best printing solution for your needs.